What's up guys, King Willis 10 back with another video, you feel me? Today's video guys is kinda special. We're gonna be doing 5-minute push-up workout from home. So without further ado, grab your water and let's get into the workout. So we're gonna start with normal push-ups. We're gonna go ahead and do 20 just for warm-up, and then after that we're gonna be doing 10 push-ups, different variations of course. Let's go ahead and start. Then we're gonna go ahead and do triangle push-ups, triangle just like this. We're gonna go for 10. No rest in between guys. Yes, I'm feeling it already. We're gonna rest for 10 seconds. Have my timer right here. You're going to do wide push-ups just like this. Place your hands wider than your shoulders. Let's get it. I'm feeling it already. Next, I'm gonna need you to put your legs on something, either a chair or anything you can get just to put your feet on. A lot of athletes ignore the upper chest, so this is a real great exercise for your upper chest. Push yourself to your limit. Let's go again. Wide push-ups. Again, 10. See, it's crazy. My chest is on fire already, so make sure you click the like button. Subscribe. I teach calisthenics, bodyweight exercise, no weights needed. Let's get it 10. Next, we're gonna be holding at the bottom and holding at the top. We're gonna go ahead and do 10 also. Hold. Up. Hold. Down. Up. Middle. Hold. Up, down, up. Next, get your chair and put your fingers as a triangle, put them on the chair. This is gonna be working your lower chest. This down part right here, plus your tricep. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, and if you didn't, still hit that like button. I appreciate the support. I love you guys. Big time. I'm out of home and I'm gonna record for you guys a little prank, be messing up with people and stuff, you feel me? Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. The king is late, bro. You feel me?